Hi everyone and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify store URL. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what you need to do is simply head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen. Once you are there, you can see we have this option of domains. So head over to that. Now you will be able to customize your URL or domain basically from this section. If you want to search or get a new domain, click on buy new domain. Of course, you're going to be needing to purchase one. So you can see currently this is not available. Try searching anything else in here. Like for example, let's just search vision and anything like that. So let's just type in here vision 123. That should be available, or it is saying not. So yeah, so this particular domain is available, and once you purchase it, you will have a customized URL. And yeah, so you can see the pricings of every URL that you could potentially be purchasing. That is it for this video, guys, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.